Even though we have a lot of affection for the Quest 2, it is obvious that Meta cut some corners in order to sell it at a low price. And it turns out to be horrible default strap, because it does nothing to counteract the front-heavy design or provide comfort to your head. Active virtual reality games will cause the headset to wobble in whichever direction you move it. You are in need of a replacement, and the only decision left to make is which strap to purchase. A variant of the Elite strap that includes a battery pack integrated into the back of the strap is one of the products that can be purchased from the Meta online store. The former option has a far lower price tag, but it does not in any way compensate for the Quest 2's appallingly short battery life. If you want a headset that will reliably last you 3 to 4 hours, the battery-powered model is the most convenient option to accomplish this goal. To get the same effect, the question is whether you should replace the strap with one from a third-party company or fasten Velcro to the battery pack instead. Because the Oculus Elite strap is notorious for having a reputation for being fragile, you might want to check at other options instead. Virtual reality is a fascinating pastime that relies entirely on technological advancements to operate. Virtual reality gives you the ability to move around inside of a computer-generated environment as if you were actually there or inside of a game. The popularity of virtual reality has been steadily increasing over the past several years, thanks to the development of increasingly engaging games and experiences. However, the technology is still evolving at a rapid pace, and new headsets are being released seemingly every week. In this channel, we keep track of the products that are now the most cutting-edge and beneficial to consumers. This video will tell you about one of the best accessories for the Quest 2 that will allow you to play for a few more hours on a single charge of your battery. Stay attentive to the end for guidance in selecting the one that best meets your needs and preferences. You see, 2 hours of battery life on the Quest 2 right out of the box is not nearly enough, and the head strap that comes with the Quest 2 is a complete and total disappointment. Unveiling has developed a motorized head strap that addresses both of those concerns. Now that we have that out of the way, let's have a look at it. The back of the strap is made of a flexible rubber that cups around your head. That makes it a really nice and comfortable fit. The arms clip on easily as well as neatly onto the headset, and then you'll find this Velcro strap at the top to provide you more adjustment. The design is comparable to that of the Meta Elite strap. If you're anything like me, you probably want to experiment with different head straps, and one of the really pleasant features of the arms is that you can do just that. These are really simple to put on and take off by themselves. This projecting bit of plastic just here so that you can simply just pull it off. And as with the Elite style strap, you have this large dial at the back to tighten and relax the strap to fit even the biggest head. And it loosens pretty rapidly, which makes it handy to take on and off, also easy to adjust again, which is fantastic if you're switching between various people playing. The most notable characteristic of the strap, which sets it apart from a variety of other head straps on the market, is the presence of a power bank at the rear of the head strap itself, which is molded into the head strap itself. This has been thoughtfully constructed to mix in smoothly with the overall appearance of the head strap, demonstrating excellent craftsmanship. When we weigh it next to the Elite strap or the ordinary strap that comes in the package, we can see that it does, in fact, add some more weight. This strap weighs nearly twice as much as the Elite strap, which weighs only 175 grams to 335 grams. Enjoying it this far? Why not hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications so that you never miss any of our future uploaded videos. Let's get back to the video. Despite the fact that the Quest 2 has a lot of weight at the front, it is still a good counterweight because of how it balances out the other components. And once it's on your head, it provides a sensation that is both exceptionally pleasant and remarkably well balanced. Even while you're playing games or using apps that require more movement from you, the head strap won't shift, and it will stay securely fastened to your head, but it won't make you uncomfortable. The head strap also features a hinge on the side, allowing you to flip it up while it is still on your head, and then flip it back down when you want to continue playing. This allows you to play without having to remove the head strap completely. The head strap battery comes with an inbuilt charging cable that can be plugged into the USB socket. This cable is routed all alongside of the head strap in an orderly fashion, and a sliding cable clip is used to tidy up any excess cable slack. When this is plugged in, the most obvious disadvantage is that you will no longer be able to utilize a link cable to link your headset to your personal computer. Therefore, if this is something that you do, you should keep this in mind because it is important. There is a USB-C port located underneath the strap, which can be used to charge it, and there are also 4 LED status lights. When the head strap is used, the battery life is more than doubled, which means that you get more than twice as much gameplay out of it, and there is still plenty of power left in it. I would think that if you based it around 6 hours, they will probably be more accurate and will be more than adequate for the vast majority of people. According to the spec, you will be able to obtain anywhere from an additional 3.5 to 5 hours of battery life with this powered strap. This may give you a maximum of a total of 7 hours of playtime. You can even use power banks with the Quest 2 up until this point in order to extend the life of the battery, and you could also refrain from purchasing the official Power Delete strap due to the fact that it is almost 100 pounds in price. Even though it goes without saying that the headset is one of the most important parts of the Quest 2, we also can't overlook the controllers, particularly if you're a gamer. With having good headset, you need to have a good and durable controller as well. We've already seen footage of people throwing their motion controllers, whether they're for VR or another type of game, unintentionally when the action becomes intense. This will, at best, completely destroy your game, and at worst, it could break your equipment or perhaps lead you to sustain an injury. When used effectively, the AMVR Touch Controller Grip Cover makes it feasible to use your Quest 2 in the safest possible manner. It is simple to put on your controller, and there are straps that can be adjusted to ensure that it fits properly in both of your hands. When your hands get sweaty, the rubber surface on the controller device helps avoid unintentional slide so you don't lose control of the game. If you have these grips, you won't need to worry about your controllers falling out of your hands even if you thrash around excessively. This head strap is a lot more convenient than having to carry around a separate power bank, and it costs half as much as the official Leap powered strap, in addition to being really comfy. Consequently, you should give it some serious thought. And if you want to get the most out of your Meta Quest 2, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon for notifications so that you never miss any of our future uploaded videos. If you're looking for latest update on VR games or anything related to virtual reality, then be sure to check this video to explore more amazing stuff.